Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how to make cloud eggs. So let's get started. The ingredients needed are 2 eggs, 1/8 teaspoon of mixed herb, butter to grease, salt and pepper. Break the eggs in a bowl and remove the yolks. The best way to remove the yolks is using hand. Beat the eggs using a beater for about a minute. Beat the eggs for 1 minute or more to get a creamy structure like this. Then add salt to taste, pepper, and the mixed herb. It is totally optional to use the mixed herb and fold this. Butter the pan and pour in the egg white mixture in 2 halves. Bake this for 10 minutes on 220 degrees Celsius. It's been 10 minutes. Now pour the yolk in. After putting the yolk, I baked it for 2 minutes. And now the cloudy eggs are ready. If you like my video, press the like button, share, comment and subscribe my channel.